Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 mistakes traders make and how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1 is not having a structured trading plan. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It would be chaos, right? Trading is no different. You need a detailed plan that includes pre-market analysis, active trading times, and risk management. Mistake number 2 is over-leveraging and over-trading. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and make impulsive decisions, but this often leads to disaster. Set strict limits on leverage and focus on high-quality trades. Mistake number 3, emotional trading. Develop a solid trading strategy and stick to it. Mistake number 4 is not taking quality trades. Create a playbook with your best setups and only trade those. Finally, mistake number 5, setting unrealistic expectations. Aim for consistent, sustainable growth instead. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful trader. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Thanks for watching and happy trading.